everybody. Oh, that was a loud bang. Welcome back. My name's Amari Andrew, and today I'm going to show you what I make every Friday night for a nice little relaxation treat. Over the past year and a half, I've totally stopped drinking alcohol. I felt like shit whenever I had it, and I felt like shit for weeks on end afterward. There are absolutely no health benefits to having alcohol. Zero, zilch, none. Instead, I just started making mocktails just to make sure that I still, kind of got my cocktail fix in, but without the unnecessary alcohol added to it. So this is one of my absolutely favorite new recipes. It is a CBD Mai Tai Mocktail. This is very, 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 very loosely based off of the original one by both Down the Beachcomber and the one at Trader Vic's. Let's just jump right to it. First, as I mentioned, you're gonna wanna make orgeat syrup. So that's just a fancy word for saying almond syrup, basically, almond simple syrup. So I'm not gonna make the entire recipe for you, but I'm linking it up here. So that is the link straight to the recipe on my website at amariandrew.com. So I'm just gonna really, really briefly show you how to make the orgeat simple syrup. Start the timer, go! Saucepan, 1 cup roughly chopped almonds. That is hard to say. 1 cup demerara sugar, and 1 cup water. Put over medium-high heat until it boils, and then take it off, let it steep for 30 minutes, and then let it cool and pour it into an airtight, light-tight glass container. Orgeat syrup, everybody. And once it's finished, it'll look something like this. Easy peasy. So now that we have the orgeat syrup made, let's just get straight to the mocktail. So first, you're gonna have your cocktail shaker, mason jar, whatever. I just use a mason jar because I like it. Fill it with ice. Then you're gonna take 2 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of your orgeat almond simple syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice. Now, here's the fun part. You're gonna take about 1 dropper, which is about 1 milliliter of CBD oil, and add it right in. Get off the sides. Now, just put your lid on and give it a good shake. Oh, it's coming out a little. Uh-oh. I did not screw that on tightly enough. Just gonna shake a little less vigorously. Okay, now take your lowball glass, open your mocktail, strain it right into your glass. Whoops, if you can. And you may notice some little oil residue coming up, little, I don't know if you can see that, but there is just a little bit of residue on it. And that's totally normal. That can definitely happen depending on your type of CBD oil. So don't freak out. My voice just left. It's fine, I said, not it's fine. And then, of course, top it with Topo Chico or your choice of sparkling water. Garnish with a little lime wheel, and because I am very basic, a little cocktail umbrella. They honestly just make every drink just feel festive. Fun fact, the little pink band thing on your cocktail umbrella, if you see that right there, that's supposed to actually help you keep your cocktail umbrella up and in place. See? Pop that right there and voila, you're finished. So here is our CBD Mai Tai Mocktail. And like I said, you're gonna get some oil separation depending on your CBD oil. That's totally fine, totally normal. That just happens. So don't freak out and be like, oh my God. Okay, so now let's give it a sip. Oh my God, that is so delicious. I love it. You can definitely taste the CBD oil. It has that earthy flavor, I would say. Yeah, the delicious combination of pineapple and orange, and you get the lime in there, you get the orgeat. It's very, very mild, but it does wonders. It tastes really good. And the awesome thing about this, like I said, no alcohol, jam-packed with vitamins and minerals because it's pineapple and orange juice, super high in vitamin C as well as vitamins A, K, E, B, C, whatever. Also full of phosphorus, zinc, calcium. So all around healthy, delicious drink. This is my go-to for Friday nights. Like I said, it has replaced my Friday night cocktail with just this delicious, wholesome, wonderful, just soothing, relaxing drink. I love CBD oil, it helps me relax, and this is my fun little tropical getaway for myself. That has been my CBD Mai Tai Mocktail. You can find the full recipe at amariandrew.com. The almond simple syrup or orgeat is gonna be linked in that recipe as well, so it's all inclusive, just like a resort. Ooh, all-inclusive Mai Tai Mocktail resort. That's it for me. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you relax and just come down from the stress of the week. You could even have this every day of the week if you feel like it, and it could replace your weekly cocktail. Okay, see you later. Bye.